import beautiful soup, import requests, import the scroll hat libraries, import the Raspberry Pi library because you'll need that for the input output. Then declare the variables such as the brightness, the delay, the weight. Then specify the share tickers, which are the LSE, London Stock Exchange, 3-letter share codes. Then make a function. The function will be used 3 times. Obviously, it'll be used for each time the share ticker is called. Apologies for the dodgy sound. This is just a cheap microphone, so bear with me. The other thing to remember is to use the Pimoroni GitHub code for the scroll hat. And also, when you run the Python code, put nohup before it and the ampersand at the end. You can look this up, nohup, N-O-H-U-P, and that allows the code to run even after you've closed the shell. Hope this has been interesting. I'll post the code down below as well. Thank you.